Hello, I'm Pushkar and I'm discussing KVPY 2019 essay part 1 chemistry paper, and here is a question which belongs to thermodynamics. During the free expansion of an ideal gas in an isolated chamber, internal energy remains constant, internal energy decreases, work done on the system is negative, and temperature increases. So let us see what are the correct options. Free expansion of an ideal gas in an isolated chamber. What does that mean? That means that if you have suppose we have a container, and in this container, suppose we have two chambers, and in one chamber the gas is present, the other chamber is vacuum, and we can put a hole in this one at our will, and of course this is isolated. That means we have surrounded this vessel with an adiabatic wall. So these are adiabatic walls. And now what we are doing, that is the initial state, the gas was present in the initial state with pressure say P1, volume V1, temperature was say T1, and you have opened this slit or whatever it is, the gas start expanding into this one. Okay. So when gas start expanding into the vacuum, of course vacuum means what? Work done will be zero. First process is work done in this process will be zero. If work done is zero, gas is not going to lose any energy. So that means kinetic energy will be constant. And if kinetic energy is constant, that means this leads to what? Temperature is constant. Okay. So the temperature will remain constant, work will be zero, gas will be expanded. Of course, volume will increase. Of course, pressure will decrease. Okay. Volume of the gas in the final state will increase. Pressure will decrease. Temperature will remain constant. Kinetic energy will remain constant. And if the gas is ideal, the potential energy is zero. So you can also say that total energy is also constant. Total energy is also constant in the whole process. Now let us see what are the options. Internal energy remains constant, correct. Internal energy decreases, incorrect. Work done on the system is negative, of course incorrect because the work done is zero. Temperature increases, absurd, there is no change in temperature. So that is a very important process which is called free expansion, and this process helps in understanding many important concepts in thermodynamics like entropy of system, etc. So I hope that you understand the solution, enjoyed the solution. Stay tuned for detailed discussions of more such questions. Thanks for watching.